Functions in C++. So what is function? A function is a group of statements that together to perform a particular task. If we want to do a particular task, I am using function. Okay. So the syntax is return type. This is the syntax of a function. So return type, what the function will return. Okay, either it is an integer data type or float data type, return type, or we can also say it as a data type. So return type and function name. Function name is nothing but any variable name. You can use it as a function name, and some set of argument list. What are the values you are going to pass inside the function? And this open parenthesis, close parenthesis, this is the body of the function. So here the return type, it indicates the data type which it returns, and the function name is the name of the function, and arguments or parameters is passed value, and body of the function is nothing but some set of collection of statements. So this is called as a function. And in a function there are two types. One is call by value and another one is call by reference. So if you want to define a function in your program, there must be three things we have to remember. The first one is you have to declare the function. So here you see, before main function, function declaration, okay, function calling and function definition. There must be three things when you are going to define the function, when you are going to use the function inside your program. One is function declaration, function calling, function definition. So function declaration must be before the main function. Function declaration before the main function. So here it's a void main, right? Before that, I say to the compiler that I am going to use a function name which is called as a max, that will return one value, that is an integer data type, that is called int. Okay, int means return type. This is a function name, and this is an argument list, that is int comma int. That means I am going to pass two values inside the function. Then void main. So inside a main function, so here program starts, right? Program starts. So I am assigning a equal to 10, b equal to 5, and then big. So big equal to max of a comma b. So max is nothing but a function calling. So max is here I defined, right? Function declaration. So function definition is outside of the main function. Function definition is outside of the main function. Here I give the definition for this. So integer max int x comma int y. So what happens? This a and b value, this a value is passed to x and b value is passed to y. So the a value is passed to x and the b value is passed to y. So inside it coming, it checks if x is greater than b. So what happens? X is a variable and y is in a memory location, and a and b is in another memory location. So what happens after the statement, after the function calling? So what happens? So what is the value of a is 10, okay, b is 5. So I am assigning a to x, that is 10 value is assigned to x and b value 5 is assigned to y. So inside I am checking if x is greater than y, 10 is greater than 5. Yes, yes means return x. So x value, this value 10 will be returned to the, where it is in the function calling. So here wherever called that function, and that place, that what is the value of return x, right? So return x means this x value is 10. So 10 will be written in the place. So return x, what happens? It will return where the function calls. So 10 will be assigned to big. So the biggest value is 10. The next one is function call by reference. Okay. So there is a only difference between call by value and call by references. Call by value is you are passing the value from a to x and b to y. So whatever the changes you are doing in x and y, that is not reflected in the a or b. Okay, so a value and b value does not do any changes if you do any changes in x and y. Okay, that is call by value. Okay, but in a call by reference, so call by reference is nothing but address. You are passing the address of the variable. Okay, for example, see three things if you want to declare a function: function declaration, function calling, and function definition. So three things are there. So in a function declaration, I am defining return type, variable, function name, and int star comma star. Previously I passed only two, int comma int. Okay, by call by value I am passing only two integer values. Okay, so here I am passing two address. Okay, star means I am going to use the pointers that I am going to pass the address to the function. Okay, so function declaration finished. So same thing, a equal to 10 and b equal to 5 big. So swap a comma b. So swap a b. What this is? Function calling. What happens once this thing, the control will be transferred to this function. So in this function you can see integer return type is, it will going to return one integer, and swap integer star x star y. That means, see, in a memory location a and b is one memory location, so variable. Okay, this will be stored in the memory location like this. Second right. So a and b. So okay, this is a memory location. In a 2050 I am stored the a, and in a 2052 I stored the b value. That is initially a equal to 10 and b equal to 5. Swap a comma b. So it will call the function, and what happens? This address ampersand a is assigned to x. That means this 2050 memory location, this address is assigned to x. So x also pointed this 2050 address, and ampersand b star y, that is y is assigned by address of b. 2052 is pointed by y. So now what I am doing is star x means address at the value. Star x means address at the value. So in this 2015th location, what is the value it presents? This will be assigned to temp. So this will be assigned to temp. So 10 will be assigned here. And then star y. Star y means address at the value. So this is 5. This 5 will be assigned to star x. So that is here, this will become 5, and then temp equal to star y. So temp value is 10, and now this will be y value is 10, right? So once this function is finished, this process is finished, it will come to the next line of the function calling. Okay, so next it will come here, printf a equal to percentage. Now see, because the process is done with the based on the memory location, so it the process done on the based on the memory location, the a value is become 5. So a value it will print 5, and b value it will print 10. So this is called as call by reference. So whatever the changes you are did in the function definition, that will be reflected in the main function. Okay, the value changes which will be reflected in the main function because of by passing the address to the pointer variable. Okay, all the best.